Hi everybody! Even got my headband on already. It is a lot cooler today, and I am still working on a big Titty Mountain over there, spreading some stuff over it. We're supposed to have some rain this weekend, so I'm going to try to spread some more stuff while it's still relatively dry and easy to move. So not a big deal today, but it's so much cooler. It's like 71 degrees compared to 95 yesterday, so it's nice. Let's go. Alright, so some features you may not be able to see from far away that I thought I would show you is, first of all, there are 3 stumps in here. There's a stump there, there's a stump there, and there's a stump there. And they were Douglas fir trees. So I'm trying to get them covered so they'll stay moister and they will break down longer. Also, what you probably can't see is growing in the middle of this one is a baby redwood. Let me see if I can zoom in for you here. There he is. See him there? So I want the redwood to grow better than the Doug fir. And then over here, also next to this stump, there are 2 redwoods growing right here. 1 and 2. And I buried a stump in there. Again, the Doug fir will break down, but it needs to be moist, and they keep getting dry. So anyway, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm almost done. This project is never ending. The pile is definitely smaller. I did move some rocks, but they look pretty good with the chips. But I've got that one last section down there that's in the sun to do, and frankly, it's hard to get over there. And stuff is heavy, so again, I'm trying to get stuff taken care of before the rains come. Waving at my neighbor. So there we go. So I'm feeling good. That was a lot of work, actually. That thing is heavy, and that just kicks my butt. I probably haven't eaten enough today, but no well. Anyway, the sun's going down. It's getting a little dark along on the leaves, along on the pine, not along on the needles. There we go. Anyway, I hope you guys are well. Just enjoying the nice cool air today. So, all right, guys, take care. Bye.